Welcome to the course on navigating developmental stages and the effects of trauma. My name is Bethany, and I am a clinical counseling intern.
And my name is Haley Mort. I am a child and family therapist and a family coach at Christian Family Care.
We are going to be walking through the developmental stages of adolescence, and we're also going to just identify how trauma impacts each of these developmental stages.
So what we know, what research has told us, is that children who maybe early on in life did not have caregivers that met their needs, maybe because they couldn't or for various reasons, we know that this does change brain development and therefore does change how our children are moving forward in their adolescence.
In each stage, a person is in this inner mental battle with something. So there's two opposing forces that they're trying to reconcile within themselves.
So they are using those angry outbursts, maybe kicking, maybe screaming, throwing themselves on the floor as a way to express that their needs are not being met.
They're trying to figure out where they fit into this world.